Portrait of a Man in Armor.
Ganyan, anong year?
Look at that.
Si ano to? Si Lopez Garriga. Ang touchy.
You make that look like gloves. Yeah.
China?
It's enamel. Kay Catherine de Medici. That French queen, remember? Paano gumawa ng ganyan? Back mo yan, brass. Paano gumawa ng ganyan? Diba?
Oo nga.
Look at the art. Pinayagay tayo sa kanan.
Mercury. This is Mercury.
Mga tukad-loob. Pilipinas, daming ganyan. Hindi rin napipreserve.
Yeah.
O hindi ba? Something out of this world. Oh, sabi. Ito mga nagugusto.
Cupid. Ano niya nabili yan? Ano?
He was parang an addict na collector. Gusto niya lahat.
Kinukuha niya. Kinukuha niya sa mga collectors din. Sa mga collectors din. No. Mercury. Excuse me. Oh, this is the first bust I've seen. Jesus. Mm.
Oh, Mr. Gonzales.
Yes po.
Marami pa. Kaya kung dito ka lang.
Ano ko si mga ano mga simba. Mahilig kasi ako sa
Isang building pa lang.
talaga?
Marami po.
Sige. Iniisa-isa ko. Grabe ang book. Oh? Shoot.
Oh, yan ang mga libro ng kapanahonan.
Shoot, 13. Seriously.
Diba?
Ganyan na sila kagaling nun?
Yes. Yung library ni Huntington, panay ganyan. Sarado lang. But this, binabayaran nila yan kasi sobrang mahal. Imagine mo yan.
Ganyan sila gumawa.
Diba? Kaya nasa ko si Jose Rizal, nabaliw dyan.
Ay, sec.
Yung mga nakita niya.
Parang napahiya siya na.
Diba?
Batong Pilipinas, napaka-old.
Oh, diba? Don't you feel like history is just before you? Diba?
Exactly. That's why the old is the new gold. Wow. 1250. Wow. They can do that already? God. Seriously. Grabe mga creation of the world, 1637, Iran.
Ibang klase how they put the gold.
Do you know why Iran became, do you know the history of Iran, why they become the best?
Persian. A long time. But
Did you know that the Jews were expelled to Iran, the geniuses, from Spain, and they went there.
pushed them out.
And then they're the one who did it.
They must have done this manually. How will they write it down? It's so sweet.
Okay, so.
May second floor pa.
Tara ma'am. Na-amaze na ako sa mga libro.
Parang pag pumunta ka dito, parang walang ano yung Hollywood.
Walang halaga.
Parang walang kaysa.
Opo. Kasi
Kasi
mas,
mga collections.
mas magaling
Diba?
in time walang technology nagagawa nila. Ang ganda naman. Yung painting. Painting ba? Oo nga. Ang galing. Creation. Adam and Eve. Yes po. Let's go. Story of creation. All right.
What, 5? Let's go all the way up. Let's go, and then we can walk down. It's easier.
Grabe elevator ang laki.
Oh, we can only go up to 2.
Para sa mga matangkad. Hindi yung mga ano nila artwork nila. Yun lang.
Italian paintings. Tan-tananan. Nang?
Europe.
Opo, actually. Pagawa ka ng basket.
Pupunta kami sa Spain.
Sa July, nandun ako. June, July. Sa Spain, tsaka France. Grabe. Ito. St. George.
Pupunta ka dyan. July, ang daming tao.
Wala na po. Ako ay isasama lang.
It's not a tour. Parang ano lang. Freelance ka lang.
Yes.
O may kumakaana ka rin.
Wala po. Venus and Adonis. Ayan. Oh, goodness. Marquee. Madonna and Child. My God.
Do we have experts in Philippines?
Marami po. Marami naman. Marami naman.
Nasaan yung paintings natin?
Sa ano, National Museum. Ang galing. Christ carrying the cross. Christ and cross. Grabe dito, walang ganito. To maintain this, sobrang mahal. This building alone. Pope Clement. Shucks. And of course, looks like Egypt. Madonna and the Child, 1490. So much Madonna and the Child. You know, I'm fascinated with Madonna and the Child. I have a painting of my was done by my friend.
They don't even know who these people are.
Exactly.
Ang napapascinate ako yung frame. Yung frame nila, diba?
Grabe.
Diba? Para tapos
The frame
nilalagyan ng
itself,
gold. Yung
yes.
frame itself, diba? Manual yan. Meron pa tayo sa paete.
Meron po.
Dapat natin, yun ang dapat natin ating mga buhay. Gagawa ako ng